Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Enriching Minds. Today we are going to learn the heat chapter part 1. Come on, let's go into this chapter. Yes, how to measure heat. There are two thermometers to measure heat. We measure heat by instrument called thermometer. Yes, there are two types of thermometer, clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Yes, clinical thermometer uh, would be easier to um, uh, measure thermometer, and a laboratory thermometer would be using to measure the temperature of different weathers, waters, etc. Clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer consists of a long and narrow formed tube glass and has a bulb at its end. The bulb contains at its mercury. Mercury. A mercury is a substance which tells us the temperature of the certain object. Here the mercury raised to 32, 37, it tells that the temperature is 37. The maximum degree is 42 and the minimum degree is 35 degrees Celsius. This clinical thermometer is only used to measure a body temperature. So that is why the maximum is 42 and the minimum is 35. A maximum body temperature can go to 42, while our body temperature can go till 35. So the clinical thermometer is only used for body temperature. While laboratory thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the water. That is why the minimum temperature of the laboratory thermometer is minus 10 and maximum is 110. Yes. In As you see in the diagram, the temperature is minus 10 and starting, and it goes till plus 110. Here there are different ways to measure laboratory thermometer. Here we only use it for weather and water, and in certain objects where we have to use our laboratory thermometer to find the temperature. For example, if you know that in Chennai, if you want to compare Chennai and Delhi thermometers, temperature, sorry, and you need a thermometer, like laboratory, and more expanded version form of laboratory. And here, while measuring the temperature around the on a city, here according to the surroundings, you measure these temperatures. Measuring temperature. Here, let's see what are the now. For example, water. Water, you keep the thermometer in between of the water to measure it. As we know, if you see in the diagram A, that is the correct thing to measure the thermometer. While in B, you keep it little more down so that you find the temperature below. On the top, you find the temperature over there. Here, everything is correct, but except D. Here, D, it goes higher temperature because it is not in perfect position. The position must be straight to find the temperature of the certain item. This certain here, D position is wrong, while A, B, C are correct, and they are equal temperature showing. And while in clinical thermometer, to measure body temperature, you keep your clinical thermometer in your mouth, or while in between your hands and shoulders. There it tells you the correct measurement, and you should never keep the thermometer in front of your body. You have to keep it in front of your eyes so that you can read the correct temperature. While if you keep it in that up in the front of your chest, it shows the wrong temperature. You have to keep it side of your eyes and just see it. And also, you have to not whole temperature the whole clinical thermometer will go inside your mouth. Only the bulb in between, on the end of the clinical thermometer, will go in between your in between your tongue. Yes, and here, this must not go more than 42, neither less than 35. Yes, now we are done with our chapter. I will see you in the next video preparing about the part 2 of the heat chapter. Thank you.